In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger. If you're setting up an online store, one of the most important things you need to do is make sure customers can pay you psula and securely. In Hostinger, connecting a payment gateway is a straightforward process, and once it's set up, your store will be ready to accept payments through the method you prefer. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your online store is hosted, because that's where your payment settings will be managed. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to locate the website section. This is where all of your websites and store-related options are organized. Next, click on Website. This will bring you to the area where you can view and manage your site. From there, find your store and select the option to manage it. When you click Manage Store, you'll enter the control area for your online shop, where settings like products, orders, and payments are all available in one place. After that, click on Payments. This is the section where Hostinger allows you to connect the payment methods you want to offer to your customers. Depending on your region and your store configuration, you may see different payment providers available here. This is normal, so just choose the one that works best for your business needs. At this point, you can simply add or connect your preferred payment method. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen carefully. In most cases, you'll be asked to sign into your payment provider account or complete a few setup details to authorize the connection. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, because this is what allows your store to process customer payments properly. As you go through the setup, take your time reading each screen. Some payment providers may ask for business details, currency preferences, or verification steps before the connection is complete. This is all part of making sure your payment system is secure and works correctly. Once you finish the prompts, your payment gateway should be connected to your Hostinger store. It's a good idea to review the settings one more time to confirm everything is active and configured the way you want. That way, when customers visit your store, they'll have a smooth checkout experience. And that's how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger.